Oh shit.
Is it on?
It's on.
What? We're vlogging?
What? We're back? What?
Say what? I don't even know what's going on right now, dude.
High five. Good.
I just want to open my window. I mean, I'll change it in a minute. And I just want to have some of that freedom. Like a bird, man.
Like a bird?
Like a bird.
John Scott gave me back my CDs that he borrowed.
What CDs? I think you're making all this shit up.
He borrowed some CDs from me.
Prove it.
Call him.
No.
I'm a message wreck, don't forget about me. We're good. It's on, Chris.
Okay. Hey, check it out.
Oh shit, is it a babe, dog?
I don't know, you trying to follow her?
That's fucking weird.
What can I say? I'm a weird guy.
That's even creepier. You're touching my hand.
Yeah.
Like, in all sorts of weird ways, but.
They've had like swingers and like a naked circus and stuff.
Hey.
Flats! That's the shit I'm talking about! Flats! What? Flats!
Flats.
Flats!
You have a flat tire.
You have flat shoes on. Good job.
Go that way. Go that way. Try not to hit the Topher's car.
And I'm just gonna send the message, because if I put frowny faces, that's motive right there. Actually, just what time is it?
It is 4:52.
It's 4:50. 2. 4:52.
And 30
And
seconds.
I was supposed to be here at 4 o'clock.
He told us 4:30.
He told me 4 o'clock.
He said Tiff was leaving at like 4:30, so that's why.
No, he told me Tiff was leaving at 3:30. See, where are all these stories coming from,
see,
bro?
I was on the phone with him at like.
You can't
at
listen up,
3:40.
Pinocchio.
Your nose is growing. We caught you in the act.
Why do you keep playing with my whistle? Oh god.
All aboard! Is it another hardcore band? Yep, yes it is. 3, 2, 1.
I hate pickles, man. I hate pickles.
It's pretty legit the way you knocked it off.
That hurt. Fuck pickles, man. Fuck you out of here, man. What are you doing? It's central?
You good? Are you good?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to.
Are you getting in?
I'm trying.
Are you good? All right.
Hey, what's up? This is